Alright, so today we'll be talking about central and inscribed angles in a circle. So these angles are specifically only in a circle, and so we're going to talk about those today. So central. So basically central, we can mark the center of the circle, right? It's in the name of this center, central center. So this is basically an angle having the degree in the center. So if we have a straight line here, it could be there, and we can just do it there, I guess. And the angle here would be the central angle right there, because it is an angle that is at the center. But we will get to the inscribed angles later, but inscribed is not on the center. Rather, it is an angle that is like touching the circumference of the circle. So yeah, that is the central angle. And so yeah, center. And then inscribed is like circumference. So anyways, let's say that this angle right here is 110 degrees, right? So that's the central angle. Say this is A, and the point that is on the center of the circle, that means the circle is called circle B. So like it would be circle B specifically because the center point is called B. And then yeah, so yeah, angle, make sure you have the angle in front. Naming an angle ABC is a center angle because it goes through and touches the center, and it also equals 110 degrees. But what if they're asking for arc AC? So there, well, because it's a central angle, the angle will equal the arc. The central angle will equal the arc. So the length of this arc right here, it will be 110 because that's just the theorem. It's called central angle theorem, and it's that the angle in the center or in the central angle is the same as the arc length, or you can call this intercepted arc or whatever. So next one we have is an inscribed angle. So an inscribed angle is, like we said earlier, touches the circumference. So we can draw a line so this inscribed angle doesn't have to touch center. So we can go from here and here. So as you can see, it does touch the circumference right here. So then you know that it's an inscribed angle. And the angle is right here. It's like 30 degrees. Let's say that the angle will equal 1/2 of the arc. So that means if we are trying to find the arc, then just times 2 on both sides, which the angle is 30. So then the arc would be 60 for this. Now that would be 60. So that right there is an inscribed angle. And then in the red would be a central angle. And that's what they basically are, and like their theorems is what you call them. In geometry, you use that word a lot because you're trying to solve for proofs. But yeah, that's today's video on central and inscribed angles.